Hi Tiny Stampers, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful red autumn leaf designs on my short nails. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So I know a lot of us with short nails or short nail beds feel like designs never fit, or you're not sure if a stamp is gonna work, but trust me, with the right tricks, you can make any design work. For this manicure, I'm starting with a bright red base. This instantly gives the illusion of a fuller nail. And then here's my favorite tip: you can choose a stamping plate, look for designs with natural curves or flowing shapes like leaves or swirls. This adapts super well to smaller nails without looking so cramped, but this is up to you. And when I pick the design, I rotate the stamp and try to see what I want the stamps to be on my nails. So it could be all on one side, or you can mix them up as I'm doing it here. And don't be afraid to stamp only a portion of the design, because sometimes short nails look amazing with partial images. So it's up to you, it doesn't have to be the whole stamping design. And now for color, I'm using yellow orange to give that soft gradient look for autumn manicures, but I'm also adding a holographic silver in there, and I think that really adds depth to the design and a little bit of contrast. And layering is a great tip just to make your nails look better. So if you ever struggle with transferring, especially on curved short nails, try rolling the stamper and see which one looks better. And look at that, short natural nails with a full autumn moment. And if you recreate this, or this gives you any inspiration, I love seeing your results, and tiny nail are thriving. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.